Hey, good morning, Math 7 students. So today you are going to identify scale factor in scale drawings. That's your con for today. Look at that, 6 words must be hard. No, it's not. It's pretty easy. All right, 6 words in the title doesn't make something hard, guys. All right, figure B is a scale copy of figure A, meaning this is proportional to this shape. We need to figure out how is this one proportional to this one. You'll notice going from 10 to 40, going from 11 to 44, going from 18 to 72. What did they do in each of those cases? They multiplied by 4. Whatever you multiply by is your scale factor. So your scale factor here is just simply 4. Yeah, it's that easy. Let's try one more here. Okay, here we go. Figure B is a scale copy of figure A, meaning it's proportional again. So let's find out how it's proportional. I'm going to measure this side, and then I'm going to measure this side and see how this one compares to this one. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this one's got a length of 4, so I'm going to just put that over here. This one's got a length of 1, 2, so I'm going to put that there. Okay, remember it's not add or subtract. A scale factor is always multiply. What do you multiply 4 by? A little bit of a trick question. What do you multiply 4 by to get to 2? If you say 2, you're wrong because 2 times 4 would be 8. What do you multiply 4 by to get to 2? And you might realize, oh, you're multiplying by a half. That's right. Your answer down here is you're multiplying by 1/2. Because it's getting smaller, you need a number less than 1. That's all you're doing, guys. Good luck. Bye-bye.